Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's start talking about exponential functions. Now, exponential functions are different from power functions in that power functions are x raised to some power, 3, 31, 314. Those are power functions. Exponential functions are going to be something raised to the variable. So it's actually the variable that's changing in the exponent, not some variable that is to some sort of exponent that it's fixed. So that's why we have exponential equations. Now, exponential equations come in just one of a very few varieties. An exponential function is always going to cross at 1 unless otherwise adjusted. Reason being, if I have 3 raised to the 0 power, anything raised to the 0 power is 1. So in this case, I know it's going to cross here. Now, if I have 3 to the first, that's going to be over 1, up 1, 2, 3. If I have 3 squared, that's going to be over 2, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And so it's going to look like this. So we have this situation going on. If I have 3 to the negative first, that means 1 over 3. Well, that's 1/3. If I have 3 to the negative second, that's 1 over 3 squared, which is 1/9. And so we have this situation. And it never touches the x-axis. It always just continues along the x-axis. So this is your basic exponential function. Now, that is if the power is the base is greater than 1. So if n is greater than 1, then the graph shape rises from left to right. If, on the other hand, n is less than 1, that means you're going to have something as follows. If I have 1/2, and let's raise that to the 0 power. Again, that's going to equal 1. If I have 1/2 raised to the first power, that's going to be 1/2. 1/2 to the second power is 1/2 squared, which is 1/4. So we have this situation. Now, additionally, if you have 1/2 raised to the negative first, that's going to be 2 to the first. So back 1 up 1, 2. All right, 1/2 to the negative second, that's going to be 4. So if your base is greater than 1, it rises from left to right. So greater than 1 rises, less than 1 falls. So those are your two basic exponential graphs. Now, of course, we can change everything from there.
Excuse me for the interruption.